Meaning of Exeter.
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 Exeter. Exeter is a city in southwest England, located in the county of Devon. The name Exeter comes from the Celtic tribe that originally inhabited the area, the Dumnonii, who called their settlement Cerwisk, which means water fortress. The Romans later established a fortress at Exeter, which they called Isca Dumnoniorum. Over time, Exeter grew into an important commercial and cultural center, with a rich history and many notable landmarks, including the Exeter Cathedral, Guildhall, and Royal Albert Memorial Museum. Today, Exeter is a thriving city with a diverse economy and vibrant cultural scene.